Don't tell me it's a 10-day streak. Don't tell me it's a 10-day streak. Don't tell me it's a 10-day streak. Don't tell me that this is a 10-day streak. If it is, then it is the new world record for the longest streak. No, okay, let me show you. The All-Star K has the longest singing video K record of 1010 hours. You know what's 1010 hours? How many days? Yeah, I just converted hours to days, and when I find out it's 42 days. So we're on a 10-day streak, huh? We're on a 10-day streak, and how many hours was that one? 240. Ako na mag-start ng video okay like 10 days streak, ha? Okay, now, kasi ito na. Dahil sa 10 days streak, masa namang kuhan graduation. Tapos, August ang college. Yeah, I'm going to say Nelson Doma right now. 10 days Nelson Doma parati. I heard that JB is already an opera singer. So what if you replace with them as opera singers and you are not? Sige, try me. If you guess it, you're gonna be surprised if they have opera singers in there. Like what would this never man singing in the entire world?